Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Chat podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very important, especially if you are new to studying.
Yes, we're talking about how to learn effectively as a beginner student.
Many beginners feel confused or overwhelmed.
But don't worry, learning effectively is something anyone can learn.
We'll explain everything slowly and clearly.
No stress today. John, many beginner students feel frustrated.
That's true. They often think, why is this so hard?
Beginners don't struggle because they are weak.
They struggle because they don't yet know how to learn.
Learning is a skill, not a talent.
And skills can be trained.
Everyone starts as a beginner.
Even teachers were beginners once.
Let's explain the idea first.
Learning effectively means learning in a way that works for you.
It's not about studying for many hours.
It's about understanding, remembering, and using what you learn.
Effective learning saves time and energy.
And it helps you feel confident.
Confident students learn better.
Confidence grows step by step. One big mistake beginners make is studying without a goal.
Yes, they study everything.
That's very tiring.
Effective learners have clear goals.
For example, today I will learn 10 new words.
Or, today I will understand one small topic.
Small goals are powerful.
Big goals start small. Beginners often try to learn too much at once.
That can be overwhelming.
The brain likes focus.
Learning one thing at a time is more effective.
Finish one lesson before starting another.
Slow learning builds strong foundations.
Fast learning often disappears quickly.
Slow and steady wins. Effective learners have routines.
A routine is a regular study time.
For beginners, even 20 minutes a day is enough.
The key is consistency.
Same time, same place.
The brain likes habits.
Habits make learning easier.
Motivation comes after habits. Long study sessions are not always good.
Especially for beginners.
The brain gets tired.
Short sessions help focus.
Try 25 minutes of study.
Then take a short break.
This helps memory.
Rest is part of learning. Many beginners only read or listen.
That's passive learning.
Active learning works better.
Active learning means doing something.
Writing notes, speaking out loud, answering questions.
Teaching yourself is very powerful.
If you can explain it, you understand it.
That's real learning. Beginners don't need perfect notes.
Simple notes are best.
Write key words, not everything.
Use your own words.
This helps your brain process information.
Notes are tools, not art.
They don't need to be beautiful.
They need to be useful. Learning once is not enough.
The brain forgets easily.
Review helps memory.
Review after one day.
Then after 1 week.
Short reviews are better than long ones.
Repetition builds memory.
Memory builds confidence. Many beginners are afraid to ask questions.
They worry about making mistakes.
But questions are signs of learning.
Good students ask questions.
Teachers like questions.
Questions help understanding.
There are no stupid questions.
Only unanswered ones. Mistakes are part of learning.
Beginners make many mistakes.
That's normal.
Mistakes show effort.
Don't feel ashamed.
Analyze mistakes calmly.
Ask, why did this happen?
Mistakes teach better than success. Beginners should choose simple materials.
Difficult books can be discouraging.
Start with beginner-level content.
Clear explanations are important.
Videos, podcasts, and simple textbooks help.
Good materials make learning easier.
Hard materials slow progress.
Choose wisely. Where you study is important.
A quiet place helps focus.
Keep your phone away.
Distractions reduce learning.
Good lighting helps concentration.
A clean desk helps the mind.
Environment affects energy.
Small changes help a lot. Studying too much can be harmful.
Rest is not laziness.
Sleep helps memory.
Exercise helps focus.
Breaks prevent burnout.
A tired brain cannot learn.
Balance is key.
Healthy learners learn better. Many beginners want fast results.
That's understandable.
But real learning takes time.
Progress is often invisible at first.
Small improvements add up.
Trust the process,
Learning is a journey.
not a race.
Motivation goes up and down.
That's normal.
Don't wait for motivation.
Use habits instead.
Celebrate small wins.
Progress deserves recognition.
Learning should feel rewarding.
Joy helps memory. Many adult beginners feel insecure,
They compare themselves to younger students.
but adults have strengths.
Life experience helps understanding.
Adults know why they are learning.
Purpose improves focus.
Age is not a limit.
It's an advantage. Let's summarize a simple plan.
Choose one subject.
Set a small goal.
Study 20 to 30 minutes a day.
Review regularly.
Ask questions.
Rest well.
Repeat tomorrow.
Thank you for listening to Everyday English Chat Podcast.
Today, you learned how to learn effectively as a beginner student.
Simple steps, clear habits.
Learning is possible for everyone.
Write in the comments, what are you learning right now?
Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner academic podcasts.
See you next time.
Bye!